In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a hood strut on your Toyota Tundra. Before I start this job, I'm going to install a hood prop. Just to make sure while I'm doing this, the hood does not fall down on me. Using a small flat blade screwdriver or pick, we're going to pick up on this little clamp and pull our hood strut off of the ball. And we're going to do the same thing on the bottom. Our kit came with new ball studs, so we're going to remove the old ones. Using a 12mm socket, remove it. Do the same thing on the bottom one. If this connector is in your way, you can push the little tab on top and pull straight back and remove that connector. Remove the bottom one, grab the new ones, start them by hand. Using a 13mm, snug down the new stud. Do the same on the bottom. Torque them to 16 foot-pounds. Grab the new hood strut and push it onto the ball. It'll snap in. Do the same on the bottom. If you installed a hood prop, remove that now. If you removed the connector, reinstall that now. Push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, pull back on the connector and make sure it's locked in.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.